parrot. Here are 2 feet. Who do these feet belong to? Here is a wing. Who does this red wing belong to? Here is a beak. Who does this round beak belong to? Who makes the sound? A parrot! It's Tommy the parrot! What kind of animal is this? Everything is mixed up. Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Yay! Right, we've found the body. Now let's look for the tail. Yippee! Hey, look! A parrot's head, a parrot's body, and a parrot's tail. It's a parrot! Yeah! Bye-bye, parrot!